Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Simran. So today I'll be telling you my most favorite skincare product of this 2020. So yeah, without further wasting time, let's get started. So the first product that I have is the Purito Fermented Complex 94 Essence. Like, I love this product so much because I can use it as a toner, I can use it as an essence, and it has rice ferment which is rich in amino acids, and it is working great for my skin, and I really love it. And the second product I have is the Cleanse Me face wash. Like, I love this product because it is so creamy and it is best winter face wash I have tried till date. Also, some of the other face wash that are my favorite are the Requil Oil Control face wash and the Saslic DS face wash, but I really feel that they are good for summers. And what I have is the Wonder Beauty Gold Eye Mask. It feels very luxurious to have gold mask around your skin, and if you have something like a sort of function to your home or anything, or if you're having those puffy eye, then this will serve the purpose, and it was a good. The next product I have is the Snail Mucin Essence and the Snail Mucin Cream, and I have used them both and I enjoy using them both, but right now I'm using this as I'm layering my products, and it becomes easy when you use something of thinner consistency when you are layering your products. And these both are rich in proteoglycans and amino acids, so I really love them both. The next product I have is the Bioderma Atoderm Cream. It is full of emollients, it is full of humectants, and it is very good for wintry skin. Like, it is very good for dry skin, dehydrated skin. It has Aqua Excel group, which is great when it comes to dehydrated skin, so I really love this cream a lot. And then I have this mango butter from Nature Tattva. The first thing is that it didn't break me out, and it is quite a buttery, it is oily, and it is not heavy, so I really love this. And when it is extremely dry, I just love applying. Then I have this Herbivo Brighten Pineapple plus Jamstone Glow Mask. Like, it is really a glow mask. It is full of pineapple extract and other things, I don't remember that, but it actually give you that glow to your skin. Like, it is worth buying. You can see the change in, and it is very good if you have occasions at your home, like party or your wedding or anything like that. Then I think it is something that you should really invest on. This is till now the best mask I have ever applied to my skin, so yeah, I love it. This is Ciplexella moisturizer for oily acne prone skin. I really love this moisturizer because it is not matte, it is not super oily, it has good ingredients. And the next product is my CeraVe moisturizing cream. It was very moisturizing, and in summers it doesn't feel very heavy, very oily or very drying. It feels like your own skin, and it is super duper comfortable to apply, especially during summer. Best purchase of my summer season. Then I have this Dry Matte moisturizer, and it is for the intense repairing of your skin. It has Pantavetin, but it has fragrance, and it was recommended to me by my dermatologist, so I really love this product because it provides you that deep hydration. And guys, like, this really gives that plumpy look to your skin, and you could feel the change after applying this. Like, it is a bucket of hydration into your skin. It is so hydrating, and you will feel that your skin is getting plumpy. Like, I seriously love this, and yeah, this is one of the good product that I have. The next product is the B-Minerals Vitamin C and Alpha Butrin Serum. Like, I really love them because they really give you the result. Performance wise they are good, texture wise they are not good, but performance wise they really does what they claim to do. Although it doesn't fade out my spots or acne scars, but I think you really need to use it for a consistent period of time to get the result. But I can say that this is working because I could see my face brightening up. And the next product I have is the La Shield Physico sunscreen. This is one of the best sunscreen that I have tried so far because it is having this gel texture, and it is SPF 50, and it has PA++ rating, which means high protection from the sun, and it doesn't give you white cast, and it is physical sunscreen, so that means a lot to me. Then I have this Neomix D Gels, and this is one of the best and the cheapest I have tried. So yeah. Guys, if you have the textured skin, then you should really give this mask a try. It is good for your pores. I use it once a week, and it really helps me a lot. That's it guys. I hope you like this video, you enjoy my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.